our Planning 101 video series featuring short videos on long-range planning in Fairfax County. In this series, we'll be taking you through terms and documents that are important to long-range planning and how our residents can participate in the process. So let's get started. Do you ever wonder what determines the pattern of development in a community? Sure, people buy land and build houses, businesses, hotels, and other types of buildings. But what determines what goes where? Well, if you live in Fairfax County, you can start by looking at the comprehensive plan. The comprehensive plan identifies county priorities for land use and is a guide for decisions that impact the built and natural environment. That includes what types of development are recommended where, how intense those developments might be, ensuring Fairfax County has long-term plans that promote livable, prosperous, and equitable communities. The foundational guide for all development and growth in the county, the one big long-term plan that guides it all, is the Fairfax County Comprehensive Plan. The Comprehensive Plan is, yes, required by state law, and it is also used as a guide for decision-making about how land is developed and used, a reference for the public on strategic goals when it comes to development in the future of the county. The comprehensive plan includes general county-wide policy recommendations for land use, housing, heritage resources, the environment and sustainability, public facilities like schools, fire stations, and parks, and transportation systems, including roads, trails, and transit, among other topics. It also includes 4 area plan volumes. Those area plans include recommendations organized by 4 geographical areas in the county. These recommendations give guidance on how land could be used in the future. But we should make it clear, the plan does not determine when or what developments will actually happen. The comprehensive plan also includes a plan map that shows recommended land uses throughout the county. Think of the comprehensive plan as a general guidance for land use, which creates the vision for the future of the county. While we have an idea of the types of uses that are preferred for the different areas of Fairfax County, it's up to the board to approve proposals to implement the plan. With the comprehensive plan, Fairfax County has a layout and a map for the future. It provides an outline for the Board of Supervisors, and neighborhoods and communities have guidelines for what can be developed and how residents in the community's priorities can be met. The comprehensive plan provides a roadmap for how the place where you live and work could change in the future. It helps guide development for the benefit of current and future residents, workers, and visitors. Thanks for watching our first short video on long-range planning. Stay tuned for more videos and to learn how you can get more involved.